Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Business Hunters. Today I want to quickly show you how you can sell your product online on Jumia shopping website. If you're somebody who is into any form of business and you're selling product, whether you have a physical shop, when you sell products in your shop, you also need to create an online shop where you can reach a broader audience that can come to your shop and buy your product, or through ordering of your product online, and the delivery system will be handled squarely by Jumia for you. And it's not going to cost you your arms by selling on Jumia. When you display product like these ones that you're seeing here, and it is when a customer buys that Jumia can get a very minimal commission from that particular product. So it is the best place for you to sell your product. As you all know, Jumia is arguably one of the biggest shopping websites in Africa. So, and they have been standing the test of time over the years, and they are still standing till today. So I am going to show you step by step how you can create a product like this and upload it on Jumia and begin to make sales like these people that you're seeing here. If you are somebody who is running a physical shop and you do not have an online presence, and you do not have money to create a website by yourself to be selling any form of your items, this is the best place for you to display your product. This is the cheapest place for you to sell something online and get paid for it. Jumia has several millions of people who are their customers and have an account have created account on their platform that always visit their website to buy items. So people depend on Jumia. They rely so much on Jumia because they believe that if you buy a product from Jumia and the product does not meet your standard, you have a guarantee to return the product. So people are likely to buy goods on Jumia. So I am going to show you the step by step how you can create a product that will come live as you're seeing on this picture that you're seeing here. So watch the other part of the video.